Hi, in this video, we will explore the collision safe areas functionality in Pro 3D HSM. Um, what is a collision safe areas? Collision safe areas is basically enables solid cam automatically filter out all the passes where collision between the entire tool holder, arbor and shaft and machining surfaces were detected by the solid cam. Let's create a toolpath and see how this works. I will launch constancy, strategy of a Pro 3D system. I will select a pull mill, 10 arbor. For now, I will disable the collision safe areas. I will enable the constraint boundaries and go to passes page at Chris's step down, and I don't want to exclude the undercuts. Sorry. I'll just hit the calculate button. So here we can see a toolpath. In some areas, toolpath is shifted. Okay, so that is because if you go to clearance data page, we have a clearances for each tool element of the tool assembly. So we asked a solid cam to keep the 1 mm arbor clearance to the arbor and to keep arbor stay away from the surface by 1 mm basically. So whenever the tool has solid cam finds gouge between the arbor and the holder, it automatically shifts by the clearance that we provided to the solid cam. So here we can clearly see if I take the tool to these passes, you can see the arbor of the tool is basically colliding with the machining surfaces. That's why the solid cam automatically shifts those passes which are colliding with the machining surfaces and keeps away from the moves. Basically, solid cam basically moves those passes away from the machining surfaces. So now let me copy paste this toolpath and enable the enables the collision safe areas and see what it does. Yeah. So exactly like I mentioned in the starting of this video, collision safe areas option enables solid cam to detect and filter out all those passes which are colliding with the machining surfaces. So here is the difference between the collision safe areas and by default when you calculate the tool path, the tool is shifted away from the machining surfaces to avoid the collisions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.